This 2020 Forest River Georgetown 3 Series GT330X3 is a Class A RV. It is located in Opelousas, Louisiana, 70570 and is offered for sale by Courvelle's RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 31 feet 11 inches in length and features Sleep 6, carbon monoxide detector, water heater, self-contained, air conditioning, stovetop burner, smoke detector, microwave, slide-out, auxiliary battery, TV antenna, and 50 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features bunk over cab, outdoor entertainment, rear bedroom. This 2020 Forest River Georgetown 3 Series GT330X3 is built on a Ford chassis and is powered by a Triton engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.